Okay, so I'm going to show how to replace the airbag in the Model 3. You want to take either a small round shanked flathead screwdriver or I think it's what size is this? Like a 3/16. This is actually very common on the car to have anyway, for doing different things. Yeah, 3/16 Allen. And where you insert it is there's two holes in the actual steering wheel, not the column, but the steering wheel itself. You see, you can put one in there. And the reason you want to use something kind of blunt, it's not going to hurt the plastic. It goes right through the little rubber hole. But you also want to make sure that the screwdriver is not going in this way, but going in this way. And push that in. So if you have, either or one or the other, insert both of them, and what's going to happen is it's going to release these little clips, and you're going to see the airbag come loose. And once that comes loose, you're going to pinch these little clips right here and wiggle the plug, and it comes out. So these two little clips right here, you want to push these over, those two, and then it'll come unplugged. Also, so why this works is, it's kind of hard to see, but when that goes in, this spring wire that runs around here, it no longer connects these little prongs. So as you see, the little prong, when the spring wire goes locks in here, it keeps the bag from coming out, but at the same time you can still push it in and push the horn on. But when you push the whatever tool you use through there, it releases that clip on one side and then slightly loosens the other one. But then when you come in from the other side, you completely remove all three. So that's how you take it out. Now, in order to power down the car to insert the new airbag, and this is a new one, you need to disconnect your battery and disconnect the high voltage data connector underneath the back seat. And I'm going to show that.